In this table we are going to show you what came out when we look for the best meeting of the word the Middle East. In Hebrew, middle is Hatichon and East is Hamizrach. So in Hebrew, Hamizrach Hatichon is the Middle East. So we wanted to know where it appears in the Torah in the best meetings, automatically to find out what are the indications behind, what is the place that it was found, and maybe there are important indications for us to know about what is going on today in the Middle East. So what really we found. So this is the table. So the table shows you here in the center the most important words, which are, you can see here, Hamizrach, Hamizrach, and Hatichon. It means the middle, Hatichon, Hamizrach, East. So this is the best meeting of the Torah of these two words, which have 25 letters between letter to letter, and the places you can see here in Bereshit, in Genesis, from chapter 32:6 goes to 32:25-15, which means really not so many verses. In Genesis, which is a book which have a lot of important things about the future, and this what was found after we saw this meeting. So what we're amazed to see, that every three letters you can see here, right next to the letter Hey of Hatichon, the Middle East, you have the Taf Shin Ayin Aleph. Unbelievable. This here clearly showing to us that in this year the Middle East will be really burning, a lot of problem. And nations like Luv, you see Luv, you can see the word, so it's the word Luv, to see it clearly coming here. You can see the word Luv in blue. Yeah, make it now in one line so you can see clearly Luv coming here. Libya, which really was almost the first place where troubles came in the Middle East. And then you have also Jordan, you can see Jordan here. You have also Yemen, Taiman, you have Iran, Iran, and all the Arabian places like Saudi Arabia and everything, which have Arabi, all the places. Now, what comes here, as you see the places, the here, amazingly, every three letters, and also you have here Arzot Habrit. You see Arzot Habrit, a state, because the United States, you can see it, Arzot Habrit, Aleph Reish Hey Bey, Arzot Habrit, which definitely is behind all these things, right, in Libya and all these places. Now, what is interesting about this appearance, it appears exactly when Jacob met Esau, and the Kabbalah says that Yaakov saw Esau and all the descendants, he saw all the problems will come out from him. And God, and he prayed, Atzileni na, save me, miyad achi, miyad Esav, from Esau. As the Medrash really brings even Germany there, also Germania, shel Esav, shel Edom, everything coming there. So amazingly, what you see, all these places, all this, what we have today, all this conflict between nation to nations, coming in this Middle East, and our rabbis tell us, the Medrash tells us, that one of the signs that Mashiach is very near, כשהמלכויות מתגרות אלו באלו, when there are a lot of conflicts and fightings between nations. So amazingly, under here comes the word Mashiach. Yeah, Mamash Mashiach Tavshin. But, as we always said, there is a condition. If Jewish people will do tshuva, return back to God, then it will be really redemption. And here you have the word Yashuv, right? Calling us Kel Yashuv, return to God and do tshuva, and then really we'll have Mashiach. But this is amazingly that in such small place in the Torah, we have so many words to do with this nation, and in the central, the Middle East, clear indications that what we are living today, all this conflict of Syria, Mitzrayim, and Lebanon, and Lub, and Iran, are all really problems which are very near the Mashiach time.